So you're in Bangla, right?
Bangladesh, yes.
So you're this one, right? Money
Yeah,
brought in
this one
under.
is me. Yes, you're right.
All right, so I'm just gonna do 500, and then you're gonna get that, okay?
Yep.
Uh, So you're all set, all right? Money has been sent to you,
That's great, man.
okay? And
Thanks
then,
a lot.
yeah, you're welcome. And then let me know. So just send me an invoice. What's going on?
Yep, everything is going good. How about you?
Good, man. We're gonna go ahead and onboard. You're gonna meet Araceli right now, and then we're gonna talk to her about like just like Facebook ads and like how you're doing it for other clients and stuff.
Okay.
Hi,
So hi, hey Araceli, how's it going?
good,
Hey,
better.
hey, this is Moni. Moni and
Hi,
I,
Hey, good morning.
nice to
we,
meet you. Good morning.
we've been working together for I'd say like about 6, 7 months in
Mhm.
different projects. Like he's the one who taught Nelson how to set up the emails.
Okay, great.
So we having so just really quick FYI on your emails,
Mm.
we have to create new emails because the virtual private server emails are
Yeah.
no longer working because Microsoft and Google are blocking them.
Mm.
So they're not hitting the inbox. They're going straight to spam. So that's why our leads have gone down
Oh,
because so we need to recreate new emails
okay.
with Google, directly with Google. You know,
Where
like
is this
Google.
guy sitting there on the beach?
No, no,
Because
he's
the
not.
palm tree is moving and the water.
Yeah, I like beige.
Oh my God, it's a video?
Yeah, it's a background actually.
Oh wow, good.
And then, but I need so that's gonna take time. It's gonna take like 2, 3 weeks for them to warm up the emails.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah,
It's just this is just the game. We gotta.
I
But
know, but I
but
think it worked because I was so sick that I couldn't do much.
you said it worked because you were super busy, right?
I was busy before and now I'm sick. That's why I think everything went down
It's okay.
the
We're
last
gonna.
2 weeks.
But you're feeling better now.
Today,
You're
yes.
recovering, right? You're recovering.
Yes.
Back. Okay. So look, this is what we think we should do. Run
Mhm.
ads. Run
Okay.
ads. Facebook ads.
Yeah.
And and Monique's gonna show you. Like that's gonna take about a week to get all set up, but
Yeah.
then it's gonna work very well. So Monique, can you just show Araceli, like for your other clients, leads being generated? Like Monique focuses on like chiropractors, so he'll show you like results campaigns for
Oh, okay.
chiropractors.
Okay, so unfortunately, the client that I work for, I'm not working for the client anymore.
Okay.
I worked for the client for a year, and he's not working on that campaign, so I don't have the access. I cannot show that to you,
Okay.
but
Oh, okay.
I have experience with chiropractors. I work for chiropractors. I have experience with Go High Level Automations. I work for physical therapists, and I also have experience working for job recruitment agencies.
Okay.
Uh, so
Okay.
like,
So
yeah,
we'll
go
do
ahead.
it's okay. I remember seeing it like back in December.
Yes.
I saw how many leads you were generating.
Okay.
So here's what we're thinking, and then I don't know how we can incorporate this, but basically what we want to do
Mm.
is we want to.
I have the screenshot. I can share that with you if you want.
Yeah, sure, you can share. Yeah, please.
Okay.
Oh
I
my
share the
God.
screenshots.
All right. So this is basically lead captured was 28,046 per cents per lead money.
Mm-hmm.
That's for a Canadian doctor, and that's Canadian dollar, not USA dollars.
Okay.
Okay. So it would be like if it was US 0.46 times 1.15, it'd be like $32 a lead, right? It's 1.37 Canadian dollar. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yes.
Yeah, so it would be
Yeah,
significantly
yes.
less.
Yes.
Okay, so it would be
25 something.
28 divided by 1.37, $20 a lead. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's great. So if we can get, we would be happy, Araceli, with a CAC of $200, And let me tell you why.
Mm.
Because let's say if 5 people show up
Yeah.
and they book, let's say out of those 5, one buy a package.
Yeah.
Well, that's $2,500 plus the other 1,000. That's 3,500. You're tripling the money every single time we're running ads.
Okay.
So that would be now. If we could get above that, that would be awesome. But just so because this is what the cost is gonna be. Okay.
Okay.
We have to pay him. We're gonna have to pay to manage this. Like everybody, it's gonna be like $1,000 a month.
Okay.
But then Facebook ads, it's gonna cost. We'll adjust my invoice. We'll adjust it. We'll go through it, and then we'll just switch stuff that you're not gonna do or use, and then replace it with these bills. Okay.
Okay.
So the Facebook ad spend is gonna be 1,000, and then the managing this is gonna be 1,000. Okay.
Okay.
So it's gonna be 2,000 on Facebook. The emails is different. Okay. The emails is different. Now the Facebook, it's on a occurring basis. So like on a daily basis, they're gonna charge like $30 or whatever it is. Like $35 a day or something like that. Now, Moni, do you recommend we run it Monday through Friday, or only on Saturdays and Sundays? I mean, or 7 days a week. What do you recommend?
7 days a week is fine.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so let's proceed. So then, what do you need from Araceli's account? I can share it with you right here. We have access to her Facebook.
Yes, I need Facebook access.
Okay, can you guide me, please? I'm giving you the access.
Go to the Facebook ad account first. Can you give me the Zoom control?
Yeah.
Give me the control, please.
Yep. All right. Can you request it?
Yeah, sure.
But you're good now, though, right?
Got it.
Yeah, I cannot work those crazy hours with no breaks, no food. That's why I got sick. Crazy.
Yeah, you're right.
No, I'm too old for this. I used to do that.
Who told you that you're too old for this?
I feel it. I used to do that. I work
What about John Barnes?
20 hours. 20 hours a day. But I know now.
No, but you didn't have 20 patients in a day.
But I
You had like 12. You had like 12 patients.
Okay, that's not good.
No, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much for sure.
Because I'm not getting rich. If your work can make you rich.
That's what it is. You are getting rich. It's just it's you just can't see it, but it's there.
Okay, it's there.
Yeah, let me check my email. I got the request. I need Facebook page access. Okay, let me add the page. Give me a moment. The page is over here, correct?
Why do you need Facebook page access as well? I thought you could just do it from the ad account.
So we need to run the ad from the page, correct?
On the page.
Ad account and page both.
Okay.
And this is the page. Let me accept the request first.
Okay.
Got it. I have the access now. So Araceli, now all I need, if you have some good quality photos or maybe some videos, I need that.
Yeah, let me show you this. Well, I wanted to show you what we got here.
Okay.
So I want to show you like these videos we use. Let me show him really quick the videos. So we have a lot of content, Moni.
Okay.
Let me see if I can.
If you have that already, you can give me the access later if you want.
Yeah, we have a lot. I just wanted to show you. I want to look for a particular, and we already designed it. What do you think about this?
What was your situation before you came to Southwest?
I had an injury in my calf.
I have a lot of tightness throughout my body.
A lot of pain in my knee, on my left knee and
blurry.
my leg, and it all the way up into my hip and my back.
Chronic pain, and it seemed to be moving all the time. One part would hurt, that one might get better, another part would hurt.
And how did this make you feel?
Can you use that?
Yeah, pass it on to me. Is there any other Good quality videos. That was like
Yeah, this is the landscape view.
What was your
You know,
situation?
that's mobile view, real version.
okay.
Let me see.
I need all of them.
Okay, and I got angles, the copy already written, but I'm looking for one video for you. Araceli, where's the video where that you doing Tom and it's going real quick?
That's the one. That's
Which
the
one?
one that you were showing.
This was it?
Yeah.
Oh, but it was in the landscape view though, right?
Me and my left of my
Yes.
Needs to be part with her.
In the beginning,
and
after that thing. That's it. I just got my hands on him. That's it.
Right there, that's Tom.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it only looks good in but there's another one where let me see on your Instagram.
You know who that is, right? Alice. Asino Gagarin.
What happened to Alice?
That's Alice. She was in Europe when I talked to her.
This one right here. This one I'm looking for.
Oh, that
What-
guy.
What do you think about this one, Moni?
This one good. This one looks good.
This is what she's actually doing, you know?
That's an unwinding.
All right, let me see. How can we find this? Can
I
you re-
wish my patient moved like that. They don't.
So this was 65 weeks ago. Let me see if I can find this. Content, social media.
And are you offering any kind of voucher like for the first visit, like $69 voucher, $70 voucher, something like that for the first visit?
No, what we could do is give a $50 voucher. So they could the first visit is $250. We could give them a $50 voucher if they say Facebook,
Okay.
right? So they get $50 discount if they say Facebook. You know,
Got it. Okay. I can use that.
okay. So let me look through it thoroughly, and then I'll get it back to I'll get it to you. Okay.
Yeah, you have my email, so you can give me the access. You can give
Yeah.
me drive access. You can send it to my email. Not a problem.
Okay. All right. So just give me like 30 minutes, and I'll join you in another meeting. All right, Moni?
Yeah, sure. No worries. And once we get everything, then we will start working on that, and I will let you know once we are done.
Okay.
Launch the
Sounds good.
campaign.
Okay. Just give me like 30 minutes. I'll be right. I'll call it 2
Bye
o'clock.
bye. You don't have Wise?
No.
You have Payoneer?
I got Remitly.
Okay, that's fine. Remitly is fine.
All right. So I'll get that over to you. Just one moment.
I think you have my details already.
Yeah, I do. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna send it over right now, and I'll send you a screenshot. All right. So Remitly.
How things are going with email marketing?
No, they're terrible. We're switching everything to you guys. I already canceled everything over,
Uh-huh.
and I'm just getting approval from clients to switch over. And I just got approval from 3 with Araceli. So I got like 5, 6 more people that I got to get approval for, and then I'm, gonna be selling it. That's it.
Okay.
Let me go to. So you're in Bangla, right?
Bangladesh, yes.
So you're this one, right? Money.
Yeah, this one is me, yes. You're right.
All right. So I'm just gonna do 500, and then you're gonna get that. Okay.
Yep.
Done.
So we promised her to get 5 leads, correct? 5 showed up patients.
Customers, yeah, that they pay. I told her.
Got it.
So just let me know like what I'll put her card on the thing and like
So
when
the daily budget should be $30 per day.
Yeah. So you're all set, all right? Money has been sent to you.
That's great, man.
Okay, and
Thanks a
then yeah, you're welcome. And then let me know. So just send me an invoice, and that for your GHL for this, set it recurring. You have Go High Level, right?
You can send through Wise, but you don't have Wise. I may need to open
Okay,
Stripe.
all good. It's just that I need to keep track of when you were paid so I could pay you again, for this account. That's all.
I will let you know. Okay, no worries. I can keep track.
Right? So then I'm gonna look at it. I gotta go to Billy. Hey, what's this $500 for? You're gonna be like, hey, you gotta pay me again next week, $500. I'm like, hey,
I will
was
let
that
you know.
for?
I will give you the heads up. No worries.
I just need a receipt, of some sort. Just even Word, like use Microsoft Word, whatever. Just put Southwest, the name of the client, Facebook, May 7th to June 6th or whatever, June 7th.
No worries, bro. Just give me some time. I'm registering my business in the USA, and pretty soon I'm gonna get the Stripe account. Then you can do the Stripe.
Yeah, this way we just, smooth. Everything is just smooth.
Everything's gonna be smooth. Yeah, no worries.
All right. So I got you. So right now I'm gonna meet with Nelson. We're just gonna adjust our SOPs the next hour, and then I'll purchase the G Suite accounts. I'll reach out to you, guy, so this way you can go ahead and shoot that over. And I'm sending text blasts and emails and everything about Facebook ads and all this stuff, so I can start getting more customers. Okay. I would like.
Share me those videos.
Can you handle at least a new Facebook customer a week? How many customers can you handle?
I can handle 15, 20 customers. No worries. Facebook ad accounts, correct? Ad campaign. That's not a problem. I have a team. No worries, not a problem. I can do that.
Okay, good.
Okay, bro. Share me those details. Share me those video, actually, the photos. Give me those access.
So I'm just gonna go thoroughly one by one, make sure I'm sharing the good stuff with you that works, so you're not wasting your time. I'm gonna go through it. There's some videos that work very well, so I gotta look for them, and then I'll put it all in one folder and I'll share that with you.
Okay, no worries.
You could just get on it tomorrow. I'm gonna do that by the end of the day today, and I'll share it with you, and then tomorrow you can just get on it. I know it's like three in the morning over there, or whatever.
Okay, no worries. I'll be looking forward to that. Thanks again.
All right, you're welcome. We're on it. Well, I told you we're gonna eventually work together. It's just it took me a while getting my shit together.
It's totally fine, bro. Totally understandable.
All right.
Have a great day. Bye bye.